Hello, welcome to Career Talk with Aditya, and in today's video we are going to talk about the CFA program, which is the Chartered Financial Analyst program. Let's talk. Now, what is CFA? CFA program is one of the highest distinction in the investment management profession. CFA Charter gives you expertise and real world skills in investment analysis. CFA Charter holders are highly preferred in roles such as investment banking, equities, research, asset management and wealth management. Now let's talk about eligibility. For you to be eligible for CFA program, you need to have a bachelor's or an equivalent degree, or you can also be in the final year of a bachelor's degree and apply for this program. Now let's talk about how to become a CFA Charter holder. There's a simple 5-step process you need to follow. To start with, step 1, enroll for the CFA program. Step 2, pass all the CFA exams. Step 3, obtain qualified work experience. Step 4, submit reference letters. And step 5, apply to become a charter holder. Now let's talk about the exam structure. The exam structure differs at every level. To start with, let's talk about CFA level 1. Now CFA level 1 is a computer-based examination that consists of 180 MCQs split between 2 sessions of 135 minutes each. There's an optional break between these 2 sessions, and a candidate must appear for both the sessions in order to receive his exam result. Now the first session, which is of 2 hours and 15 minutes, consists of 90 MCQs split across 4 different topics, which are ethical and professional standards, quantitative analysis, financial reporting and analysis, economics. Now the second session, again of 2 hours and 15 minutes, consists of 90 MCQs split across 6 different topics, which includes corporate finance, equity, fixed income, derivatives, alternative investments and portfolio management. Now talking about the exam structure of CFA level 2 exam. Now this exam has item sets comprised of vignettes accompanied by 88 MCQs. The session 1 consists of 44 MCQs, while the session 2 consists of 44 MCQs. Each vignette in this exam is accompanied by either 4 MCQs or 6 MCQs. And unlike CFA level 1 exam, the topics covered in this exam are randomly placed. Now coming down to structure of CFA level 3 exam, this exam comprises of vignettes accompanied by MCQs and some constructed response or essay questions. Now the first session of CFA level 3 exam comprises of 8 to 11 vignettes followed by some essay questions, and you can also expect some MCQs in this exam session. Now having talked about the process and exam structure of CFA program, let's come down to the timeline that one takes to complete this program. Now with a recommended study time of 300 hours per exam level, it takes approximately 2 to 4 years for a candidate to pass all 3 levels of CFA exam. CFA level 1 is offered in 4 windows in a given year. The windows are February, May, August and November. The exam windows in 2021 might be modified due to COVID-19 pandemic. Now, CFA level 2 is offered in 2 exam windows in a given year, and the exam windows are February and August. And lastly, CFA level 3 is also offered in 2 windows, and the windows are May and November. Now let's talk about the curriculum of CFA exams. CFA level 1 and level 2 consists of 10 subjects, which are quantitative methods, economics, financial reporting and analysis, corporate finance, equity investments, fixed income, derivative investments, alternative investments, portfolio management and ethics. And for CFA level 3, 3 topics have been dropped, which are corporate finance, quantitative methods and financial reporting and analysis. Now talking about how competitive is CFA program, the average passing rate of last 10 years for CFA level 1 is 42%, while that of CFA level 2 exam is 45% and that of CFA level 3 exam is 54%. There are more than 1,70,000 CFA charter holders awarded to date. Now talking about fees and scholarships, there is a one-time enrollment fee of $450 which you have to pay while enrolling for the CFA program. After that, for each level, you are charged $700 as exam fee if you are part of the early bird registration window. If you are part of the standard registration window, you are charged an additional $300 as part of exam fee, making it a total of $1,000 as your exam fee. However, you can apply for different scholarships offered by the CFA Institute. Access Scholarship and Women's Scholarship are one of the most popular scholarships awarded to CFA candidates. I've shared a link to the scholarship page in the description. Do check it out. Now, talking about the benefits offered by CFA program, with better job and higher salary prospects, CFA program enables you to build instant credibility and helps you stand out amongst your peers. The CFA designation is a mark of distinction, and investment firms all over the world recognize this as a higher standard. Now, coming down to the last and main question addressed in this video, is CFA the right career partner for you? Well, if you are someone who wants to make a career in aforementioned profiles such as investment management, wealth management, research, equities, asset management, and investment banking, then I think CFA program is worth considering as a career partner. And secondly, you can network with CFA candidates or CFA charter holders, understand their experience, understand their feedback, and value they are deriving from the CFA program. For me, CFA program has helped me beyond my career prospects. The knowledge that I derived from CFA level 1 has helped me manage my own investments in a better way. I derived immense value from CFA program, and I hope you have the same experience. Now that's it for today's video. If you think that this video has helped you gain some insights about the CFA program, don't forget to press the like button. Share this video with your friends and family who are planning to pursue their career in finance. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so. There are some amazing videos coming soon which you don't want to miss out. So do subscribe. Until next time, take care.